Look what we've got here. It's a bird's nest fallen from a tree. It's the nest of a modern bird because it's full of fibreglass. The white stuff is fibreglass, and that orange stuff and the blue stuff there is from woven plastic bags. And I think it's rather clever. I sort of don't want to handle it too much in case it's got lice on it or something. But I rather think it's high technology. High technology, that's what it is. See? It's full of blue plastic fibres and orange plastic, and all the white stuff is, I think it's fibreglass from the shed roof. Could be shredded white fibre from PET bottles, but I think it's from the shed roof. And that would keep the little baby birds very warm, the chicks. And it's amazing how creatures adapt to technology, and it's all well insulated, that nest. Well insulated. Very high technology birds. That's what it looks like. Interesting bird's nest. There's Kitty. There's an ant, and it's carrying a bit of bird feather. How can I keep up with it? It's carrying a piece of what I think is bird feather. At first I thought it was a butterfly's, a dragonfly's wing. But I think it's bird feather. Where are you? You walk so fast. I can't keep up. Can I? I just can't keep up with you. It must have a bit of meat on it or something. I can't keep up with you. Go about your business anyway.